point. 76 degrees outside. How can you not put the top down? Welcome to today's vlog. Let's continue the video that we ended yesterday. As you can see, I have the transmission hydraulic jack right here. So we're gonna continue on loosening up the bolts that were remaining, and let me show you. Removed all the bolts around the transmission. There's two and very top, as I mentioned last video. The only thing that's left is I gotta remove this cap right here to get to these two bolts right here and remove this bracket. One and two. Got him. It wasn't the easiest bolt to remove, but we got him. It works! Still gotta loosen this bracket, but at least I have support here. By the way, awesome jack. Found another bolt that I didn't see right here, and you gotta get it from this side. So how am I gonna access it? I gotta use an extension. Yeah, there's actually two of them. One on this side, one on that side. We're gonna go ahead and use this tool again with the swivel at the end. This is a very nice tool, and it's actually helping me out a lot. There we go. Easily. And you got a torque wrench, right? Ready? The line out of there. There's a couple more bolts here. Let's remove them. Right down. I think just one right here. 10 mm right here. This is it right here. Okay, let's go over the slave cylinders here. And why do I think that this one is bad? Let's see what's up. The cloth here. Looks like this is where the fluid goes in. Let me press it. There you go, see that? This all came out. Now, the sound of it feels like the bearing is busted. That's what it feels like. The bearing is not good any longer. Compared to the new one, it is nice. Hey Lena, what's up? You want to check out the two clutch cylinders, slave cylinders? Yeah, this thing it's completely falling apart. I mean, it's not because, I mean, look at this. I just barely touched it and the rubber came off, everything else. This one, see, this rubber is really secure. This one's really smooth. This one is really rough. Like, even you going to compress it, you can feel there's some kind of friction or some kind of restriction inside. Kind of like if you push this, just nice and smooth. Look at this. This one, not so much. Wow. Okay, first things first. I'm gonna remove this clip right here. Like that. That means that we're good. The slave cylinder's installed. Let's get this transmission back on the car. Okay guys, now I just gotta put everything back, all the bolts back, tighten the transmission up. So I'm just gonna enjoy myself doing this. The wiring, the housing or the bracket, all this stuff is on. Next thing I'm gonna do is install the dry shaft back, and then I'm gonna bleed the clutch system. Yeah, I'm putting the stock one back on just because it doesn't make as much noise and it actually fits. The one that I have aftermarket, I need to get a different one. I have to get the one that actually goes towards this car. That one's a little, it has two spots where it touches and it vibrates the car. I don't like it. So we're gonna put the stock one back on. We're gonna bleed the system now. Okay guys, I'm gonna go for a test drive. Just took the car off the lift. Everything looks good. So I also assembled the inside. I need a new shift knob. That's horrible looking. New CSC, bam. Alignment, Tuesday, 4/24. New tires, front tires, Tuesday, 4-17. Rear orders, that we'll do next week. Okay guys, I'm gonna end this vlog here. Thank you for watching. Next 2 to 3 days we will get the final results on the new CSC clutch, and there will be our confirmation to see if that was the problem 100%. When it did fail, it failed the second or the third day of driving. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe below. Give me that thumb up. I'll see you guys, I think Monday now. Today's Friday. See you Monday. So far, the clutch, super happy. Wow. It was, sometimes when you think about a project, when you take a transmission out, you get this feeling like, oh man, I gotta take the transmission out. But man, this went so well. It's so smooth. It's quite simple actually. It's not as complicated as I thought it would be. Awesome project. All right guys, that's all I wanted to say. Viewers, subscribe to my channel to see more of awesomeness. You can also follow me on Facebook and Twitter.